Today we're going to apply our tanning mousse. Step one is you are going to actually exfoliate with exfoliating mitt. Make sure you get all your rough patch areas. You can do this in the shower beforehand. From there, you're going to use a barrier cream. This is great to help for a smooth application. I put it all over my body. You can choose to just put lotion anywhere where you're going to put the tanning mousse. You can use any type of lotion you want. I'm using a thicker body cream, so I know it's going to coat everywhere on my skin really nicely. I concentrate on some of my drier areas like my knees or my feet just to reduce the amount of any weird lines that the tanning mousse might leave. Once you're done with your barrier cream, you can move on to your application with your mitt. The mitt is so velvety soft. It's such a smooth application, and the mousse itself has a little bit of an olive tone, so you can see exactly where you are applying. I usually start with one side and I go from top to bottom, making sure I get under my clothes a little bit, behind my neck and my back as far as I can reach, and just going all the way down, getting my legs behind the knees, paying special attention to those areas that often get streaks, but even down on my feet. And then the mitt is really easy to switch hands, and I work on the next side. Now going down, working my way up, making sure I catch any areas I couldn't reach before. And it's just really soft and feels really nice to apply it everywhere. I can feel some of the moisture on the mitt, so I know it still has some residue of the product. Oh, got a little helper. And then I'll use the mini mitt for smaller areas like my face, getting in those little crevices or areas you can't reach. You could use the tanning drops for your face too, but I was going to try for the first time and use it all over. And then we even have a back applicator for those hard to reach areas if you want. And lastly, the most important part I find is the buffing. You're going to use a dense bristle brush, buff everything out. This is going to help reduce lines, make it all look really smooth, making sure you're getting your wrists, elbows, underneath your arms, underneath those clothes, your knees, your feet, all of that areas. Last step, make sure you wash your hands. So important.